Welcome back to my channel Tech Getter Official. Today W will learn how to fix Google Chrome when it crashes. Let's begin. First, go to the Windows menu and search for File Explorer. Open it, click on this PC, and then head straight to the C drive. This is where most of your system programs are stored. Inside the C drive, scroll down and open the folder named Program Files. Now look for the Google folder. Open Google, then open the Chrome folder, and after that click on Application. Here you'll see the main Chrome application file that launches your browser. Right-click on this Chrome application and rename it from Chrome to Chrome 1. This step helps reset the launching path, which is usually the reason Chrome keeps crashing. Make sure the new name is saved properly. Now right-click on this file again, select Show More Options, then go to Send To and choose Desktop, Create Shortcut. This creates a fresh shortcut on your desktop that you will use to open Chrome. Go back to your desktop and double-click on the newly created Chrome shortcut. Chrome should open normally now without any crashing issues. Once it opens successfully, restart your computer one time to finalize the fix. After restarting, try opening Chrome again. It should run smoothly without any crash or error. This simple trick works for most users facing Chrome crash issues. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Tech Getter Official.